Belai belai kia hambai marwo joto khapang ni takuk tai bukuk song sini rangsak ni dibrahani joto warrior sok no Mia 9 September 2025 9 September no 1949 ni year so sini Indian government by Tripura Kingdom marsuk mani sal as holo sung jantar montoro sini Sri David Mura Singh borong ganang Sri David Mura Singh boni pedal yatra ni Paimani pore 2500 kilometers Agartala to Delhi pedal yatra khayei sopai Mia sung aro jantar montoro sitting demonstration khlaijak sitting demonstration khlaijak mani pore haino hai tini a sitting demonstration khlaimani pore ang on behalf of him Prime Minister office ang phai sopakya tai Home Minister office ang phai sopakya Prime Minister office phai ang memorandum submit khlaikya norok nukhana sini PMO ni memorandum jehetu o jagao blai sensitive area tai just miano vice president ni election mani bagai sudo ano simi allow khlaijakha o jagao hapna ni bagai so ang oro ni bising ni bongni Prime Minister office ni bororo koi malai ang memorandum submit khaikya tai Home Ministry ni hoite bo su memorandum submit khaikya basically tinta agenda no tei sino memorandum do submit khlaijakha point number 1 hingkangke je Triprasa Accord eba Tripura Accord 2024 ni 2nd March so sign khlaijak mani abono dakti khai implementation khlaina bagai tai point number 2 hingkai illegal immigrants je Bangladesh tai Myanmar rok ni phaine rok no puila detect khlainai boni voter list ni delete khlaina abon pore deport khlaina ni bagai point number 3 hingkai Greater Tripura Land article 3 Indian Constitution ni je ain ni motabek sung kaisa statehood demand san tongmani or tinta point no tuino sung tini memorandum ya farjakha tai borong ni official ni thani blai positive response no manjakha I hope government of India abono serious note khlaino sini o dabi rokno borok che thori nainai tai dakti khai rwnai hinai no sung asa narago haisi blai blai ke hambai